Alright, buddy, we had your sideband bias and repaired your box. 500V-HG-1x4. Turn it off. Straight through SWR like we always do. Worldwide. We're gonna be running the 2500 watt slug. That's just what's in there. Reading top scale, 10s, 1000s, 5s, 500. Everything wide open, verb wide open. Hello, audio. Something about 8,900. Alright, on the LP. It's easier to read it. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Hello, audio. Worldwide. So we're looking at audio. 400 average, 900 peak on the top end. That's 15.5. She's all good to go. Biased for sideband, shouldn't give you no more trouble. Let's check the sideband, make sure relay's working. Hello. Yeah, here's the delay. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2. She's all up and ready to go, man. Appreciate you. You have a good one, man. Your friend 10 0 Catch you later. Bye bye.